I'll come back. Here's that squirrel. He just ran off.
Look at that tree. There's several out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's over 20 in that tree right there.
Wow. Mr. Drysdale got some next door.
She got some of them?
Yeah, old Drysdale.
Let me see. I don't
know what her name is, but I know that's what you call her.
I don't see them over there.
I do, on the ground over there.
They better get away from me and get their ass over where they belong. That's right, get your ass back over here, fucking awful.
I need to get an iPod for this moment.
Hmm?
Later I need to get an iPod. I can stand this on, that way I can make my drawings. I would like to have Dad make some of his paintings I can put on my YouTube. That'd be really nice right there. Next time we paint something, I can stand over and film it while you're doing it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, put some of that on my YouTube channel. Because even if,
But it takes him a long time to do one.
Yeah, I can fast forward it, do it and make it,
Oh, yeah.
That way it looks like he's hurrying up. I've already got 1,300 views on my channel. 1,300.
Hey, that's good.
That is good. One more month, because I can't fly now, because you can only fly every 2 months. But now I know I will get it. If a person's got 25,000 views on their channel, not 2,500, but 25,000, that's 2,500 a month. They'll get off it. I just heard that through other people that's been on the channel that does the math on it, because they know a little bit about it. That's people that's already been on the YouTube partner. YouTube don't like people talking about it.
Look at over there about if I flew up higher in the tree. See it?
Yes, I do. I'm trying to film it.
That's a young dove. You're hungry.
Yeah, but I was just estimating. I don't know the exact number. I just listened to other people on there and that got that down.
I gotta check to see if they got water to drink too.
Yeah, but that's the thing. When you do become a YouTube partner, you ain't allowed to tell people how much you're getting. That's supposed to be confidential. I think you can get in trouble for telling people. Do you find that kind of strange a little bit?